Shit working? Alright. So I'm about to show y'all all my nerf guns that I have and I'll give you a rating on them. Yeah. Alright, so first one we got the Volt. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. I don't know what the fuck to say, but it shoots very good. I kinda wish that this power was gone so that it could just be more, like, you know, cool. Yeah, it shoots pretty good. I'm pretty accurate with it. Okay, so yeah, what I rate on it is like 4 out of 10, maybe like 6. So this is my other gun. It's the Warden, but it's the Transformer one. It's pretty good. I feel like Doomsday when I'm holding it. It's got good slam fire, can handle it. It's nice. I usually put a sling on it, you know, make myself a little cooler. You know, one time I had when I'm with my little brother, I went to the field. We threw some bread out on the field. We grabbed our camo jackets, put it over us, and then we just waited for a couple birds to shoot them. Don't worry, we didn't shoot. Our shit, fuck. Our aim is shit as fuck. Sure, right on like 7 out of 10. Let's pull out the other one. Eagle Point. It's good. Kind of weird. This does nothing to fucking help you. So yeah, fuck that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice ammo storage. This is pretty good. This is cooler. Makes me feel like a fucking sniper. But the thing I like to do with it is like this, because I can't really see properly down it, so I just go like that. Yeah. The slam fire is pretty good, but it can't handle it for shit. Can't handle it. Yeah. I'll rate this on like yeah, like an 8. Nah, maybe 6. 6 out of 10. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna check if I got see that anymore. Nope, enough. But yeah, that was my gun review. The first video I'm gonna be posting on YouTube. Yeah, so yeah. Also, my name is CJ. Yeah, CJ. I hope y'all having a good day, and I hope y'all having a good night.